Good morning. We are at the Bacalar Fort, which is probably one of the main attractions, only attractions here in Bacalar. So we figured we'd just take a quick look. What'd you see? We have to turn around?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna turn around and go the other way. So this was a fort that overlooked the lake, and supposedly it was built here to defend the town of Bacalar from pirates. Pirates would sail into this lagoon, and not quite sure what they do, rape, pillage, bury their treasure, but this fort was here to protect it. And apparently it worked out well, because they did defend the town and they were able to get rid of the pirates. There's your Bacalar sign. Town square. I think a little bit later we'll take a little bike ride through here. Do a little town tour.
We're not going in this way thing.
No?
No.
Why?
Because they don't have it open.
What do you mean they don't have it open?
They don't have it open because of COVID.
Let's see. If that's the case, that's the case. I think Jeannie's right. I think this place is closed.
Go read the sign.
Yeah, you guys provided a ticket. Right over here. Nationals 55, Gringos 110.
Adult.
No. Nationals 55,
Adult.
Gringos 110. So 220.
You going in there?
Yeah, why not?
So, gracias. Gracias. Buen día.
Okay, we got our tickets. I don't think there's anyone who's going to collect them. You just go through this little gate here. These guys are getting the guided tour and the history. Here she comes. All right, let's go get our 220 worth. We'll do an outside drive-by first. Cannons. Check out the wildflowers. Very, very pretty. See the wildflowers? More cannon holders. Okay, now we're getting the money shot. Let's go over here and take a look at the lake. Iguana.
Hay una también ahí. Ahí vienen.
Another one right there. And up there.
Ay, mamachita. Mira, está una ventana. Mira, ¿dónde?
Okay, let's check out the lake.
Ay, cosita bonita. Te va a morder. Tiene uñas, Ay, güey, se me estuvo viendo bien feo. No les gusta.
Very beautiful. See this, Big Daddy? Right here.
Oh, yeah. That's a big one.
You can get right up to him. I was right up to him filming.
Really?
Oh yeah, he doesn't care.
Big Dad.
You can get right up to him.
Oh, he's going away.
It's okay. All right.
He's hoping for some food.
No, he was eating the plants over there before. I got it on film. He said film. We all know it's video. Okay, let's continue on. So that's where we entered. And let's go up here and take a quick look. Kenny's still fooling around over there with the iguana. Today's a lot sunnier than yesterday. This is a very long lake, but narrow. I believe, and I may be corrected, but I think it's 42 kilometers long and only 2 kilometers wide at its widest point. Here she comes. My little explorer. There's some stairs right here. Look how graceful she takes those stairs.
They're high.
Like every other place.
Oh, this is a nice shot.
Uh-huh. Very nice.
I can't really see what I'm doing, but...
Okay, down we go.
Vamos.
Vamos, amiga.
How about going in here?
We will. Let's see what we got in here. Hummingbirds, flamingo, cockatoos, different parrots and stuff. I guess these are the indigenous birds of the lake. Not sure what that is. That looks like an osprey. Some type of bluebird. We saw beautiful yellow birds this morning right on our property. Have to get some footage of that. A lot of kayaking done here in this lake. I'm glad it's not overrun by power boats. They thought that one through, that's for sure. Sailboats, kayaks. Going to the main part now. Jeannie found this well right here. Let's just see what happens if we take a look down at the bottom. There is water. Looks like they threw a bunch of coins in there. It's like a wishing well or something. It supplied water to the fort both for its consumption and for cleaning it. All right, let's go into the museum. We'll go the other way. I'm not going to read all this stuff to you guys, but it does tell the complete history of this fort. Nice wall mural. Flying penis. here's a look at some of the pirate ships that sailed in this lagoon during that period. The weapons of the time. I think that's a blunderbust. Cannonballs. A couple of Winchesters. Pirate road map. Pretty cool, actually. You know what? This place is worth coming to. 30 minutes and you're all good. All right. You've seen it. The people are coming now. I'm gonna shut this down and I'm actually gonna read some of this stuff because it is actually interesting.